Hello, my people. Yes, please. I wanna digress a little bit. Permit me, but I want to digress a little bit to talk about the politics of the zoo. Yes, it is true that Biafrans are not interested in whatever happens in the zoo politically, but then we are still in Nigeria. So, this is why I want to talk a little bit about the politics of the zoo. 2023 presidential election that is fast approaching is what will finally destroy the zoo if care is not taken. Why I'm saying this is that what Tinubu is doing by his actions, Tinubu is trying to cause a generational enmity between the southwest and the southeast. So I'm marking somewhere. Bola Tinubu is trying to cause a generational enmity between the southeast and the southwest. The sins of Awolowo has not been forgiven by the southeast, but what Tinubu is trying to cause, we make the southeast and the southwest to be in perpetual enmity, and by so doing, they will surrender to the north. North will now take over the political leadership of the zoo for eternity if care is not taken. I'm telling you the honest truth. Since the presidency of the zoo is rotational, the North have had it many number of times. The Southwest have had it, the South have had it. Natural justice demand that the Southeast should go for it this time around. The zoo should support the Southeast to have it. But the Southwest, through Bola Tinubu, is trying to cause disaffection between the Southeast and the Southwest. This is what is happening, and the North is watching. If you recall, the Southeast Ohanese youth have run to the North for support. The Southwest is also going to the North for support. What they are trying to do is to make the North the kingmaker. Now, these two tribes will now be basing their hope and aspiration on the North. Whatever North decides and whoever North chooses. So that is why I told you last time the 17 southern governors came together and spoke with a single voice. We thought that these people are beginning to reason. No, they have not woken up from their slumber. They have not. Even the governor of Ogun State, Dave Omai, said that during that time, that what these southern governors are doing in public is not what they are doing in secret. They are running to Abuja trying to secure justice positions for themselves. And Omei said it, that by their actions, they are going to cause enmity between the north and between the southwest and the southeast. He said it is regional enmity. That's how he put it. Because the permutation was for the PDP and the APC to zone their presidential candidates to the southeast. But Tinubu is trying to cause disaffection between the southeast and the southwest. And this will not all go well for these two tribes in Nigeria. Once they separate, you can started handshake across the Niger, but that did not fly. But once these tribes separate from what Tinubu is causing, if they separate, they will be at the mercy of the North. Before now they have succeeded in separating the North. Now the Middle Belt is on their own now. 50% of the Middle Belt is no more in support of the North. But from what Tinubu is causing, if Southwest and Southeast separate this little friendship that they have built, if they destroy it, it is over for them. The North takes over everything, and nothing anybody can do about it. The only voice that people listen to is Mazen Nandekano. It is a dicey situation, very dicey. Yes and no. That devil mine may be the president of Nigeria. He had the support of the North. He has the support of the Fulani herdsmen. These are the people that control Nigeria. The Fulani terrorist herdsmen. Never mind. Love them. That's why they come to Ebony, kill thousands of people, and nothing is being done. So it's likely that devil might be given that presidential seat. Yeah, that's all. So the Tinubu is fighting to stand there because they have done so much for APC. It's like he's trying to say he owns a major stake in APC, so APC must reward him for his loyalty. But the interest of one man cannot overshadow the interest of millions of people. So let's see how it goes. But my take is this: if Tinubu did not calm down and support the Southeast, then take it from me that the Southeast may regard the Southwest as their political enemy for life. For life. And once this happens, two of them will be running to the North for support. They even be struggling among themselves who the North will choose as a bride. This is what is going to happen. And once they didn't give the Southeast this presidency, agitation will increase. It will increase. That is my case. Further notice.